Weekly news and reviews magazine Newsweek has published its final print edition, ending an 80-year run as one of America's most popular sources for weekly news recaps and analysis. The final cover features a photo of the magazine's former headquarters in New York, along with a farewell address in the form of a hashtag, hinting that perhaps the magazine's demise resulted from the rise of online news and social media, while also pointing to a digital future for the iconic brand. Newsweek has suffered a decline in advertising revenue, as well as a steep drop in subscriptions in recent years. After being bought by news website The Daily Beast, the magazine underwent an editorial shift and redesign, but it wasn't enough to save the ailing publication.